Guys, here here for more typing game on the Rayyan channel, and in today's video we are solving a 524 question by the name of longest word in dictionary through deleting. Okay, so I know this question is very bigger, but it has also be a easier question. And in today's video we are solving the medium one question, and in that question there is some of the topics are also has been included. If I told you the name of the topics, let me tell you: array, two pointers, string and sorting. There are total 4 topics which we are covering in today's video in this solving. Okay, so now let's move to the computer screen and let's start to solve 524 question by the name of longest word in dictionary through deleting. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and all the notification bell also, so you know with these type of videos on the channel. And we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. Now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, now let's try to solve a 524 question by the name of longest word in dictionary through leading. So let's start. And this question has only 2 cases. If you see here, you can see it. Now let's understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll start to solve it. Now it has been given me a one string as and a string array dictionary. We want to return the longest string in the dictionary that can form by deleting some of the given string characters. If there is more than one possible result, we want to return the longest word with the smallest lexicographical order. If there is no possible result, then we will return the empty string. So let me explain you one more time. It has been given me a one string as and a string array dictionary. Now we want to return the longest string in the dictionary that can be formed by deleting some of the given string characters. If there is more than one possible result, we want to return the longest word with the smallest lexicographical order. If there is no possible result, then we will return empty string. So now I hope you understand. So if you see here he created one empty string by the name of s, in which he wrote down abc, ab, pc, ple, a, and then he created one dictionary string in which he wrote dictionary string and by the name of dictionary, in which he wrote down string array, string array here created by the name of dictionary, in which he wrote down ale, and then second string is apple, third string is monkey, and fourth string is plea. Okay, and the output I am coming apple. Okay, why? Because like I have told you here, we want to return the longest substring in the dictionary that can form by deleting some of the given string characters. If there is more than one possible result, we want to return the longest word with the smallest lexicographical order. If there is no possible result, return the empty string. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you are thinking apple and monkey has more letters than apple. If you see, if you count like A1, P2, P3, L4 and 5. Apple has 5 letters and monkey M1, O2 and then N3, E4 and then 5. Okay, apple as and monkey has same letters, but why it is printing apple? Because apple has a p, p, l, e. These are the starting alphabets of ABC. And monkey, in the monkey there is y, is the last letter of the AB alphabet in the alphabetic. If you learn about ABCD, so y has been coming in the last, E has been also coming in the last, K has been also becoming in the last, O has been also becoming in the last, N has been also becoming in the last, M has been also becoming in the last. But in the apple, A is not coming in the last, it is coming in the first in the ABCD, and then P has been also coming in the first, and P, this PS also, and L also, and then E also. So that's why. If you see here, he created one string by the name of as, in which he written down A, B, P, C, P, L, E, A. And then here you have an string array by the name of dictionary in which he wrote it down A, B, C. And the output is becoming A. Why? Because A in the A, B, C, D, there is first A has been come. So that's why if we remove A from everywhere, so now then the output will become B. Why? Because B will become in first in these all the letters. That's why. And these are the constraints which we use to solve this question. So let's try to solve this question into our LeetCode Cam website. Okay, and this let's talk about means 3,23,000 people have submitted this, and only 1,67,000 and accepted. And topic A, there are some 4 topics: array, 2 pointers, string, and sorting. And now let's start to solve this question. We are solving this question in the Python 3. Like you all the people know, from the starting we are solving over all the question in the Python 3. Okay. Now first of all we define a class of a solution, because there are rule of a LeetCode Cam. Whenever you start to solve any question, first of all you define a class of a solution. Otherwise it will give you an error. Str comma dictionary list str. Now you are thinking why let me tell you. You are thinking I write as str means our s is our string, so this is perfect. But I write here dictionary means dictionary is our string array name. Okay, then why I am writing in the list I am writing str. Why? Because it is our integer array, so that's why in the list I am writing str, and str is a short form of a string. So in the next line here I sort the dictionary first by the longest word and then alphabetically for same length words. Now dictionary dot sort key lambda and then minus length x. Now in this 5 line here I sort the dictionary first by the longest word and then alphabetically for the same length words. Now here in the next line here I iterate over each word in the sorted dictionary. For word in dictionary char and s. Now in these lines here I iterate over each word in that sorted dictionary. Okay, if I length word and char word I plus equals to 1. Here now in the next line here, if the entire word has been matched, then we break the loop early. Then if I, then here we found the length of our word. Now when I do this, so then I define a break statement, enter, back. Now if the word is matched completely, then we return it as the result. If I length word return word, return an empty string if no word from the dictionary is found in S. Perfect. Now enter. Now here we return then this. Perfect. Now what we do in this all the lines, so let me tell you. Now in the first of all in the 5 line here I sort the dictionary first by the longest word and then alphabetically for the same length words, and then in the 8 till 12 line here I iterate over each word in the sorted dictionary, and then in 14 to 15 line here if the entire word has been matched, then we'll break the loop early, and then in the 17 till 18 line here if the word is matched completely, then we return it as the result, and then in the last line here I return an empty string if no word from the dictionary is found in S. Okay, so let's see the running code. So now let's see the running code. So let's run this code and let's see it has been accepted or not. So when I run this code, it is giving me an error, expected indented block after the. Okay. Okay, by the mistake here I defined two class of a solution, so that's why it has been giving me an error. Now it not giving me any error. Here you can see it has been accepted. In our case, when our expected output is apple and mouse output coming apple. In the case to the expected output is A and mouse output coming A. So now in the last let's see the submission code. So let's submit this code. So when I submit this code, it will be submitted and we solved in the 211 milliseconds and I beat 48.49% people. So I'm left pasting this solution, easy solution in Python 3, and then I'm writing beat 48.61%. Please, for more information, subscribe Rayyan, and for now here let's give the backspace and then explanation. Now I'm posting this solution. So here you can see in today's video we solved a 524 question by the longest word in a dictionary through deleting. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to view my profile, so view it. My profile name is Rayyan. So now if you enjoy this video, so please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know answer these type of videos on this channel, on this LeetCode Camp channel. Now anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on this LeetCode Camp channel. So for today, goodbye.